fresh project. Okay. Sure. For an image, you can take a template. Okay. This is a fresh template. I mean, okay. Filter okay then, filter.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, consider a project. Okay. In the file, we are doing all the services in a single file. Just imagine it. Like we are doing HVAC ducting, HVAC piping, say water supply, firefighting, drainage, electrical, everything in a single file. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Basically, in order to control the visibility of objects, or in order to control the visibility of systems, system in the sense, let me take a Word file. We will consider dark systems like supply air, return air, exhaust air, rush air, etc. Okay, these are the duct systems. In order to control the visibility of these particular systems, we will create filters, right?
Okay.
Okay, for example, for controlling visibility of systems, we will use filter. Okay, for controlling the visibility of service, we will use work sets. Okay, now I explain panda, no issue.
Okay.
Okay, but duct system on the service da. Okay,
Okay.
the ducting, what you call ducting is a service. What you call piping is a service, right? Like HVAC piping is a service, right?
Yes.
From water supply is a service.
Yes.
Okay, in water supply, cold water supply and hot water supply is a system, right? Okay, then.
Okay.
From drainage is a service. Inside drainage, say soil pipe, waste pipe, vent pipe, whatever. These CDP, these are all systems. Okay. So in order to control the visibility of system, we will create a filter. For controlling the visibility of service, we will create work set. Okay. I'll do one thing. I will just give you an example. Okay. Say consider this is a project. This is a small project. We are doing HVAC and water supply in this particular file, right? So first of all, actually in the work set nama initial pandrathu. Okay, before we are starting a project, we will create work set first.
Okay.
Okay, but okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just give you an example by doing a small project, right?
Okay.
Okay. அப்ப இது ஒரு fresh file தான். Actually நான் இந்த file save பண்றேன். Okay, save. I'm going to save this project. Okay. Say so I'm okay. Okay. In collaborate tab, there is an option called workset here. See, but right now it is hidden. See, in order to activate the workset tab, we have to first activate the collaborate tab. Okay, just pick it and just give OK, right? Okay, once you pick this one, this thing will be activated, right? Workset. So there are two ways to take this option, get into this option. Either you can use take from this one, like collaborate tab, workset, or else in bottom tab you have in bottom panel you have workset here. Both are same.
Okay.
Okay. See, while I'm taking this, there are two default workset. The workset are similar to layers in AutoCAD, right? Almost similar to layers in AutoCAD. Filter are also same like that. Okay, but there are two advantages for workset. One advantage is to or one function is used to control the visibility, and the other function is used to use for networking. Okay, that I will tell you afterwards.
Okay.
Right now, let me tell you how to use the workset first. Okay, so I'm just picking the workset. In default, you can see two worksets here. See, this is one workset. This is another workset. Imagine it is like a layer. This is one layer. This is one layer. Okay. Shared levels and grids. This workset is dedicated for grids and levels. We are creating grid. We are creating levels. These things will be gone to this layer or this workset.
Okay.
Get me?
Okay.
This is another default workset, workset 1. I can rename it. Okay. See, just consider that we are doing a project. We're doing HVAC and plumbing in this particular file. So what all services will be there in this project? Can you please tell me? Just list out the services. Can you list it out? What all services will be there? Yes, HVAC, correct. HVAC, ducting, right?
Yes.
I'm creating a new workset. You can pick from here HVAC piping or chill water piping, whatever. Right?
Okay.
And if you're doing plumbing, we have water supply. We have drainage. If you're doing firefighting, we have firefighting. So like this, you can create workset for particular services. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So how many services you have? The corresponding worksets you have to create. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Done. Okay. Just I'm picking either any of the option. Like once you create the workset, you can see the worksets from here. See, these are the worksets we have created. See, HVAC ducting, firefighting, drainage, water piping, shared levels, and it's whatever.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a new project. I'll do one thing. We already have the levels in this project, right? Just I will take a section. These are the levels. These are the default levels. While I'm picking the level, you can see in the properties there is a parameter called workset here. You can see the parameter workset. See, in the corresponding parameter, the value is what is the value? Shared levels and this. While I'm expanding this one, you can see the workset you have created. See.
Yes.
So this level will be automatically going to shared levels and grids. Got me? Now, when you're creating a grid, I'll do one thing. I'm going to create some grid for this project. See, this is our grid. See, consider this is a grid. But I am creating a new grid. But see, what is the current workset? The current workset is firefighting, right?
Yes.
While I am creating the grid, I'm just picking one and selecting the grid. See, the current workset is, the corresponding workset that for the particular grid is firefighting. But it should comes under what? Okay. So you can change it here. Yeah, or you can change from here. Or else what you will do is, what is the current object you are drawing? You can make the current worksheet for that particular one.
Okay.
So this is shared levels and grids. So I'm going to draw some grids here. See, I'm making some copies of this one. So I hope you're not confused, right? No.
Okay.
Okay. See, and while I am selecting this one, see, the worksheet will be
Shared
shared
labs.
labs. Just make sure that what service you are going to or you're planning to model, that particular system should comes under the corresponding workset. If you're creating a duct, the current workset should be HVAC ducting. If you are modeling a pipe, the current workset would be chill water piping. Okay, no problem. I will show you. All right. I'll do one thing. Just okay. So this is our project. Consider this is our project. We have the design drawings. We have the IFC drawings for HVAC piping, HVAC ducting, water supply, drainage, firefighting, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to prepare some views for it. See, this is for like whatever level. This is for HVAC ducting. I'm going to duplicate this one. This is for HVAC piping. This is for water supply. And this is for firefighting, whatever. Get me?
Okay.
I'll do one thing. I will just try to create some duct systems. Okay. Already we have 3 duct systems here. I'll do one thing. I will just duplicate this one and giving flusher. I'm going to create a flusher. One second.
Okay.
കുറവുണ്ട്. അതായത് മറ്റേ നമ്മളാ എന്താ പറയാ കുരിയച്ചിറ പോണ വഴിയില് അതിന് ജയഞ്ചയോ അങ്ങനത്തെ അല്ലേ പേര്, ആ കുരിയച്ചിറത്തില്ലേ, കുരിയച്ചിറത്തിനൊക്കെ മുന്നേ ആ ടേണിങ്ങിൽ ആ കയറ്റത്ത് അവിടെ നിന്ന് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോ പേര് ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ. ജയന്നാണോ നോക്കട്ടെ, ഞാൻ നോക്കട്ടെ. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് പറയാം. അല്ല, കുരിയച്ചിറത്തിനൊക്കെ മുന്നെയാണ് അത്. കറക്റ്റ് കുരിയച്ചിറത്തിനൊക്കെ മുന്നേ വലത്തെ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് പോകുമ്പോ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ്. ആക്ച്വലി ആ ഒരു ടേണിങ്ങിലാണ് അത്. കിട്ടിയല്ലി ST ജ്വല്ലറി, ST ജ്വല്ലറി. അതെ. വേറെ കുറെ ഉണ്ട്, എനിക്കിത് അറിയുള്ളൂ മാത്രം. ആ ശക്തന്റെ ഭാഗത്തൊക്കെ നിറയെ ഉണ്ട്. ശക്തന്റെ അവിടെയൊക്കെ ഐ മീൻ ശക്തനല്ല ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ആന്റി മുനിസിപ്പലിന്റെ അവിടെയൊക്കെ അതൊക്കെ നിറയുണ്ട്. അത് തന്നെ അവിടെ മൊത്തം ഇവര് തന്നെയാണ്. അവര് മൊത്തം ഹോൾസെയിൽ ഡീലേഴ്സിനൊക്കെ കൊണ്ടാണ് കളിക്കുന്നത്. അതും എല്ലാം 916 അടിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ് തരുന്നത്. ഇവിടെയും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇവിടെ ഞാനിപ്പോ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് സ്ഥിരം എടുക്കാറ്. എസ് ടി നിന്നാണ് കൂടുതൽ എടുക്കാറ്. അത് അതെ അതെ അതെ. ഇവിടെ ഇവിടെ പൊക്കോളൂ. ശരി ശരി. കുരിശിന് എത്തണ്ട കറക്റ്റ്. അത് കറക്റ്റ് സ്ഥലം വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. കുരിയച്ചറായിട്ട് തന്നെ കാണിക്കണം. ആ ആ ആ ആൻഡ് ഇത് ഗോസായിക്കുന്ന് കുരിശക്ക് തൊട്ടുമുന്നേ. അത് തന്നെ. അത് അറിയണ്ടാവും ഇപ്പൊ അവിടെ ഇപ്പൊ നോട്ടൊക്കെ അറിയണ്ടാവും. ആ അടുത്ത് വളരെ അടുത്താണ്. അല്ലല്ല ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ അതാണിണ്ട്. ഞായറാഴ്ച പോയി കൊണ്ടുവരണം. ഹലോ ഹലോ വിജയ്. Okay. So I have just created 4 duct systems. Okay. I'll do one thing. I will just create some filters also. Just I want to show the difference. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
For a supplier, just I'm looking from that. Okay, this is enough. Okay. So I've created the same way. I will create filters for chill water piping also. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. ഓക്കെ ഞാൻ വിളിക്കാം നിങ്ങളെ. Okay. I will duplicate hydronic supply as chill water supply. And chill water return. Okay. And I'm going to create the filters also. Chill water supply. Okay. Have you started the plumbing sections?
ಇಲ್ಲ
Vijay? Illa? Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, I'll do one thing. So we will just go with HVAC
Okay.
only. Okay.
Okay.
Do one thing. I'll just. Still water pipe. Okay. So these are the two services. In both views, we have the filters, right? In both views, we have the filters. So in this, for this particular view, there will be a design drawing for HVAC ducting and there will be design drawing for still water piping. Okay. Suppose I am linking the design drawing or I am going to just create some duct route for this particular project. Okay. So just make sure that whatever services are you planning to model, that workset should be that service should be comes under the current workset. So I'm going to create a duct. So the current workset should be HVAC ducting. Okay.
Okay.
I'll do one thing. I'm just going to create some ducts. So I'm just going to create some ducts. See, first I'm making a routing. I'm going to change this one. Return error. Sorry. Exhaust air. Okay. So these are the systems. Okay. See, this is my view for chill water piping. In this view, I don't want to see the duct here. I just want to see the piping. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to just I'm going to create a pipe routing. For that, I will make chill water piping as current workset, and I'm going to route a pipe. So this will be chill water supply, and this will be chill water return. Okay. I haven't given any colors. Either you can provide a material or else you can provide the color in the filters also. Okay. So what will you do to hide the duct here? Vijay, in the duct height பண்றதுக்கு see what are you going to do?
Workset.
Workset, yes. Workset, yes. Before what you'll do, you have the filters. Yes, correct. You have the filters, so you can hide the filters one by one, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is on the HVAC ducting view. You don't want to see the piping. So what you will do? You will, yes, correct.
Piping.
In the render filters, hide one. This is the way what you're doing. What you are doing. Okay. But right now, say this is a small project. Okay.
Okay.
But while we are handling some bigger projects, there will be lots of systems like 20, 30. You have lots of systems. Fresh air, smoke exhaust. One second. Corridor exhaust, toilet exhaust. Makeup air. You have lot of systems.
Yes.
Okay. So hiding the filters one by one, it is a difficult task. So we have other options here. See, there is a, once you create the workset, you will get another tab here in visibility options. That is workset.
Okay.
See, you can see the workset you have created here. Okay. In this particular view, this is the view for chill water piping. Okay. So we can do one thing, except chill water, we can hide all the worksets. Right? You don't want to see drainage here. You don't want to see the firefighting. You don't want to see the ducting, water supply. You can expand this one. You can hide this one.
Okay.
Okay. But you need this thing. You need shared levels and grids. I mean, you need to see the grid also, right? So that this particular workset and water piping will be set as global setting visible. Or there is an option called show. Both are same, right? See. In this, we just want to see ducting only, so the other things can be hidden. Just like this one. Right. Get me?
Okay.
See, right now, I'll do one thing, okay? I'll delete this one. I'm going to load an FCU, okay? I'll load one FCU right here. Okay, I have an FCU here. Okay. See, this is an FCU, okay? I'm going to load this 2 FCUs here. Okay, I'm going to create a duct. Give me a second. I'll try to load another one. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create some supply duct. Okay. And I'm going to set chill water piping for this FCUs. Okay. For that, I am going to chill water piping view. Here, I just want to I want to see the FCU, only FCU.
Okay.
How you can do that? In the view, the FCU மட்டும் பார்க்கணும். Can you do that? There are only workset for this. Okay. HVAC ducting ஒரு workset இருக்கு, HVAC chill water piping workset இருக்கு. இது show பண்ணா actually வந்து the duct வந்துடும். I just want to see only the FCUs. FCUs மட்டும் தான் பார்க்கணும். அப்ப can you do something? Can you understand what I'm telling?
புரியுது.
அப்ப ஏதாவது பண்ண முடியுமா விஜய், ராஜேஷ்? Just make a workset for mechanical equipment or FCU.
Okay.
அப்ப அது மட்டும் நமக்கு ஹைட் பண்ணலாமா? Get me?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to create one workset here. You can create the workset once after you, anytime you need it, in between the project or whenever you need it. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to create a workset for mechanical equipment. Correct? Okay. This should be done first actually. But right now I'll do one thing. I will select the FCUs. Right now, what is the work set? It comes under HVAC ducting. I'll change into mechanical equipment.
Okay.
Okay. அப்ப இதுல வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் எக்யூப்மெண்ட் ஷோ பண்ணலாம். இந்த டக்டிங் வந்து ஹைட் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
ஓகேவா?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to create some chill water piping. Okay. So what should be the current work set? The work set should be chill water piping. So just I'm going to create some pipe. This is supply. This is right. See, we have some fitting issues because I haven't set the routing preferences yet. Okay. இப்போதைக்கு வந்து சும்மா just I will draw some pipes like this. See, did you get the idea about the work set? How
Yes,
the
sir.
work set works and all? All right. Bring your branch borrow. Your branch borrow. Okay. See, just I'm going to take a 3D view. Okay. In all views, we can see the work setup here. You want to hide ducting, you can hide this one. You want to hide the equipment, you can hide the mechanical equipment here. Okay. This is basically one function of work set. The other function is for networking. Networking now, I'll tell you afterwards. Just I will provide a brief idea about that. இது வந்து ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து நிறைய பேர் ஒர்க் பண்ணும் இல்லை லைக் we will use a single file and we will make a networking for that particular project. So n numbers can work in same project. Get me? இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல வந்து HVAC there will be a team for modelers. Okay, if HVAC வந்து ஒரு like 10 guys will work for them. அது மாதிரி chill waterலும் ஒரு 10 guys will they will work. Just I'm giving an example. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. We will see it later. I'll show you once. இப்போ just வந்து இது வந்து just study பண்ணுங்க. This is basically for using the visibility settings. Okay. And one more thing, once you create a work set and save the project, I'm going to just save it. Work set give me a second. Yeah. In this project, we have some work set and I have saved the project. While saving it, your save option will be hidden and another option will be activated. See, synchronize now. Okay. Say now onwards, if you want to save the project, you have to synchronize the file. Just pick this one. This is the save option. Once you create the work sets, there will not be this option. You can't see the save option either. Okay. You can use this option, synchronize now for saving the particular file. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll show you a completed project. Okay. So you can find it better. See, this is our current project. This is a small project. We have lots of files here. This is the one you have done before, right? You have the structural file, you have the ID file, you have the architecture file. This is the main file. I mean, this is the MEP file. Okay.
Okay.
While I'm selecting the file, you can see lots of options here, like detach from central, create new local. Okay. These options are used for networking.
Okay.
Or networking or work sharing. Sorry, the correct word is work sharing. You can share the works.
Okay.
Okay. See, consider you have a team. You have a team of like 6 members. 2 of them will be doing HVAC. 2 of them will be doing plumbing. 2 of them will be doing electrical. Consider like that. Okay. You have a single file. See,
Okay.
you have a single file. You have a single file. So consider this is your main file.
Okay.
Okay. I will just write it as central file. It is called as central file. It's like a universal name. This is our main file.
Okay.
Okay. Or consider this is our server. We have a server. This is our server system. Right? See, we have 6 members. We have a team of 6 members. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this guy will be doing HVAC ducting. Right? Just I'm giving you an idea. That's it. This guy will be doing ducting. This guy will be doing piping. I mean, chill water piping. This guy will be handling plumbing, water supply. This guy will be handling drainage. And this guy will be doing firefighting, and this guy will be doing electric. Or we will do one thing. We'll ignore this guy. We don't want this guy.
Okay.
Okay. How to delete this one? No problem. Okay. We have only 5 members. What we'll do is we will create a central file in our server.
Okay.
Okay. That will be the main file. In that file, everything will be the common items like filters, work sets, the links, architecture links, structure